There's my ember. So I am successful today with the hand drill. There's a look at my hearth. And my spindle. Once again, success. Okay, welcome back everybody. Jiu-Jitsu 2000 here today. I'm back. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'm out in the shop right now and I am just practicing a little bit of hand drill technique. Just got an ember on this 4th hole just now, and I think that there is enough left on this 4th hole for me to possibly get another ember. So here is my spindle, and again there's my hearth, and it sounds like my dog is just outside of the door. I have to find something to use as a catch. I'm just going to use the blade of my silky saw here. So let's see if we can get an ember out of this guy here. Don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'll set my foot there. A little spit in the hands. Lube up this spindle a little bit and just start. Move my knife away a little bit. I'm running out of traction here. I think I might have got it on that one. Maybe. Hold the board down. I have a very weak ember here. So there you can see it. Very weak ember. I'm just going to throw it down on the floor here. I don't care if it goes out, because I know that you guys saw it. So it's right there. Hopefully you're seeing it right there. And there's a look at my hearth. This is sotol. And this spindle is, I think, seepwillow is what this is. So it looks like I could probably give it one more go, but my hands were starting to get a little sore. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, there is the ember right there. Very weak. And it's dying. So hope you enjoyed this. This is fun. It's just practice for me. This is not my favorite technique in the world. It's a difficult one for me, but I think hand drill and friction fire in general, it's the thing that puts us closest in tune with our ancestry. So it's just for that reason, it's one of the things that I really like practicing. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave your comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and until next time, have a beautiful day. We'll see you then. Bye for now.